I'm Leona Chin, Malaysian motorsports athlete, and I do travel logs, video logs, and motorsport videos. Guess what? I sold one of my drift cars through the mudah.my app. So I'm delivering the drift car to the new owner today, and I sold it at a lower price. So I need to swap off the rims with this set. So let me show you two of my drift cars. I have this one, S14, and this S13 is the one I just sold. So this S13 has a rocket bunny body kit and 18-inch rims. So I'm gonna take this off and swap it with the other ones. Let me tell you a bit about the history of this car. This is my ex-Gymkhana and drift car. The S13 is also been with me for a very long time, and it's very sad that I need to sell it off, but I need to clear off my garage. So it's time to say goodbye to this car. Today is the last day. We're gonna put the car down, tighten the wheels with a torque wrench. Okay, so the new owner of the S13 has just arrived and he brought along the tow truck to tow the car since it's a track car. So this is the last time I'm going to see this car in this condition. I don't know how it's gonna be next time. Bye bye car. So one car is gone, but this car is still available for sale, the Nissan S14, and it's up on sale at mudah.my app, so check it out. Thanks for watching. Do follow me on my Facebook and Instagram, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.